Hello YouTube, back with another daily life vlog. Got some new dirt bike gear. Let me show you guys. Guess what I have right now. I bought an HJC helmet a long time ago, 3 years ago now. And it's not a bad helmet, but this was back when I was like, hey, do I even want to get into dirt biking? Is this something I can do? So I didn't spend that much money on it because, well, I didn't know if I was going to enjoy it, right? So essentially outgrown that helmet now. It's not like my head got bigger, but it's uncomfortable. The things that I'm doing now, I need something lighter, something that fits my head a little bit better. So I'm gonna show you guys what I had before. Here is the HJC. I don't even know what model, to be honest. It's not a horrible helmet. It's just not it. Did its job well for like what I did and for introducing me to dirt biking, but we got ourselves something much nicer. So this is the Alpinestars SM5 Rover 2. I wasn't really expecting to purchase this one. I really wanted the Fox. However, I tried both on. Alpinestars just fit the best, you know, super comfortable, very lightweight. Highly recommend you guys, if you're into riding dirt bikes, to give this a shot and try it out. Now the goggles didn't come with the helmet. These specifically are the Armegas, Armega 100s. Hyperglory? I don't even know what Hyperglory is. Hyperglory, something like that, guys. So, not the cheapest, however, extremely comfortable. As you can see, I tried it with the helmet and it fit just right. The goggles that I have on this helmet is absolute, not trash, but I don't even wear them. It's on here just to have them on here. I typically just put them in the back. I've come across a lot of times where I'm riding on the forest and the trails and I'm dodging, you know, these branches because I know I'm not wearing my goggles. I think it was a great investment to get proper goggles. So once again, guys, here's the Alpinestars SM5. Looks freaking sick. I'm gonna look so clean with these gold wraps on the floor because I fall a lot. Guys, enduro is not easy. It really isn't. But so much fun. I like this purchase. This was a good one, for sure. Also, here's Layla. She's my doggo. She's chilling here with me today. She's about 9 years old. Best dog I ever had. Well, I guess only dog I ever had too. So we're gonna go ahead and continue the garage build, right? So I feel absolutely just grateful and I love the way this garage has turned out so far. I mean, it's the like perfect man cave here, right? So there's only one thing that's been annoying me for a while and I just haven't done it. I guess you can call me lazy, I don't know, but it's the garage door. Silver, it's gotta go. Things that I plan on doing is I'm painting the whole garage. The whole garage I'm painting it black, including all of this and whatnot. I was going to use my spray gun, but then I have to take all the bikes out of here and leave them outside for a few hours, and I feel like that's a lot of work. We're gonna grab some sort of protectant for paint. Just never know. So we're gonna go ahead and just do that. This thing has been in the attic for a long time. Just wanna talk about a couple things. And a lot of y'all probably can relate to this, I guess you could say. I've been so used to like constantly going. 2024 was a little different. Kind of like, you know, started seeing friends a little bit less and whatnot. And this all kind of happened like when I hit 30 years old. But I'm starting to think like, that's just like part of life. You know, people get busy, Can't hang out with your friends as much. And stuff, because we're on the road. Typically you're alone. You get a flight crew, but you don't always do stuff with them. It doesn't always click, I guess, with the crew. That's something I've been thinking about, something I'm trying to really implement in my life, just doing a little bit better. Taking life a day at a time. And just enjoying it. You know, enjoy life, enjoy the process. Especially for those that are in pilot school or whatever it is, it's a long journey. You know, it's a really, really long journey. And you're always going to continue learning. It's not going to stop. So just enjoy it. I don't know like what this rant is about. I'm just kind of thoughts. So guys, this is the result so far. Not entirely happy with it. I really wanted that black. My black that I have that I actually painted the roof doesn't really match that color. I don't know if it's just because it's, you know, on such a bright, shiny object. But even then on here, it's not that black. I needed to match the floors. I'm gonna run to Home Depot and get a gallon of like the darkest black they have basically, and then we'll get back to it. Much better than the onyx black that I had that you saw previously in the video. The carbon turned out really great. When I was putting it on there, it was very blue, which was kind of odd to me. After some time, once you let it settle, it turns out that it's like super nice and dark, which is exactly what, you know, we were looking for. If you're thinking about painting your garage door black, this is your sign to do it. It's completely transformed the way this looks, just like every single wall that I've painted now has. Actually, everything is painted now. Every single wall in this garage is painted, and it looks great. Thanks again for checking out the continued build of this garage. It looks great. You should paint your garage black. Like the video if you did, subscribe for more cool garage content and stuff. And as always, clutter-free. See you.